I request Professor Meki Nzwei from University of Pretoria, South Africa, to come to the stage.
Happy evening, everyone. Well, since I'm representing a whole continent, I will speak for only 1 minute. That is because the sentiments, I'm loaded with about the conference, they have been so eloquently expressed by all the people who came in. So because Sanjoy, who is a friend, either he doesn't like me very much, or he wanted to silence me, he made sure I will come almost last so that I will be lost for what to say. But immediately I was made to know through Chats Devrup that this seminar was being organized by Sanjoy. I said I will be coming. And he actually planned a very international event because he wanted to get more people from Africa. I gave him some names, but it is always difficult from Africa, people from Africa, scholars and so on, to travel out, always the matter of funding. In fact, he particularly wanted a performance from African perspective, and we lined up 2 or 3 scholars, but last minute, it wasn't possible for them to come around. Otherwise, the same way as I have been exposed to lots of most, staggeringly fascinating music, of India, from the very traditional to the so-called very, classical now. I've been very much enlightened. I have come to learn and I have learned. One thing I have missed is that, well, let me start with what I have loved very much. There is too much, I'm sorry to use the expression too much, there is too much openness here. I come in, people are relating with you as if you have known yourselves for a long time apart from the names. So it is a very warm, humanity-infused, group of, or species of human, beings that, I have encountered. And I'm so delighted to come to a place and find that, as I said, I'm the only one from Africa, but I was being treated like a native Indian. It's not always possible. So I thank you all for the kind of welcome I've been given. We have not got time. Maybe if the 2 other or 3 other people from Nigeria had come, or if it had been possible for me also to steal one of the drums that have been fascinating me here, then what I would have done is to have 2 minutes of everybody here discovering that the legs are meant for dancing, and that when the legs dance, the spirit will also be dancing. But hopefully another occasion we will all feel joyful. That somatic feeling of turning around and smiling into faces that are involved in artistic expressions. But the conference has been most enlightening. The few presentations I was able to watch, people really took time to, organize themselves. So on behalf of Africa, I would like to say that this has been a very enlightening experience, and we will continue to create humanity patterns to sort of help to change the way things are happening globally, which are traumatizing many, disprivileged people. So this for me has been a great experience, and I thank you, my friend Sanjoy, who doesn't like me, and all the friends I have made here, whom I will now have to abandon. Thank you.